I know this is probably like the most silenced live stream that I've currently been doing, but I'm currently in a big hassle right now. Well, a lot of stuff going on, and I can't really show my face right now. So, but hey, it's not a big deal. Enjoy. Stay for a while. This is a good stream. Oh, how do I turn on this? Like, I just don't get it. No, no, I knew that would happen. No, this is the second time I've crashed. Wait. I got it. Hold up, fams. I got this. This thing ain't speeding up. Yo, the thing ain't speeding up. I have to have better. Let's go. This is literally the third time. I still have 0 destroyed enemies. Like, are you serious? My God. I just suck at this. I've never played this, man. I suck. You gotta understand, I suck at this, and there's no way you can convince me to be better. You got it? You got it, son? Alright, you got it, son. Wait. I got this. I got you, fam. I got you. One more time. Oh! Woo! Speed. I am speed. Oh, no. I'm not faster than Lightning McQueen. No. Whoa. Oh, no.